Well, hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today is day 57 of our series, 99% in 99 days for CBSE Mathematics. So, you know me, I'm Ankit Sir, coming here today with the last chapter of the board's 10th grade, which is bacha probability. Okay, so as I mentioned already in my previous session that I'm gonna do only one session bacha in the probability, and we'll have this followed by a PYQ session. Okay, because not much is there, just problem solving is going to be more than enough for this chapter. Okay, there's not much formulas or other things which is there for you in this year particularly. Okay, we have more concepts in probability but not for you bacha. Okay, so we will deal with only one session. We'll deal with the entire chapter in only one session. We'll see a different type of questions, we'll solve all of them. We'll solve another session where I'll take and I'll solve all the PYQs that I can in that particular session, and then followed by mocks and the revision. So that's we do, right? For every chapter I'm doing a weekly revision and mock. I hope you're following the playlist. Okay, if you have not so far, do one thing. On our channel you'll find the playlist for mathematics. Go ahead and check it out. Okay, you'll get everything in that order. We are doing the chapters, we are doing the revision, we are doing the mocks every week. Okay, so if you missed out on something, go ahead and learn from there. Okay, solve all the questions. How can you solve all the questions? You have to join the WhatsApp channel. Okay, the link for the WhatsApp channel is given in the description. So join the WhatsApp channel. From there you can get the sessions PDF, and then from the PDF of the session you can solve all the questions, right? Same to maths, you also have the sessions going for science, chemistry, biology, physics. Everything is available bacha for free on our channel. So very good quality of the questions, of everything that you'll find on our channel available for free. How can you get that? Just join the WhatsApp channel and get everything delivered to you in the channel itself. All the sessions PDF for maths, for science will be given to you. Okay, so I hope you're ready for the last chapter of this year. Okay, and having the same energy. So let's have a look bacha for the coming up chapter which we have, probability chapter plan. If you see, not much is there, so definitions are there, few definitions we'll have a look. Okay, probability of an event. Okay, we'll see that, how to find that, and then some cases where the event is taking a card out of, so the deck of card is there, 52 cards. The die cases are there, when we toss one die or toss two die. Okay, then we have coin tosses, 2 coin toss, 3 coin toss. All of these things are there and questions based upon that. Okay, now if you see the weightage bacha, so as I said in the stats as well, there is no chapter wise weightage. You have unit wise weightage. The unit is statistics and probability. Stats and probability is the same unit, total of 11 marks worth. From here you can expect 4 to 5 marks. Okay, 4 marks usually, but if they are looking to ask more question, 5 marks up to 5 marks you can expect in this chapter bacha. Okay, 5 marks maximum, not more than that. Okay, chaliye. Now if the same thing is mentioned over here, coin toss, die, cards, these kind of questions keep coming. They might give you even number problems, odd number. They'll give you a set of numbers, ask you to pick a prime, pick a even, pick a odd, or they can ask you questions based upon the yearly, the leap year questions are also there. Don't worry, I've taken those questions even though it's not written over here because there's no subtopic as such, okay, right now for you in this chapter, but I've taken some important events that from where the question keeps coming, keeps repeating. Okay, so when you see me solving the PYQs, you'll see the pattern that yes sir, PYQs are coming every year almost based upon these concepts. Now if you have to look at some definitions, please have a look. What are definitions? Are experiment, random experiment, outcome, event, and sample space. What is experiments? Are a process which results in well-defined outcomes. Okay, same thing is here. An outcome is the result of an experiment. So same thing you can see here. Over here you can relate these two terms, experiment and outcomes. So if you perform an experiment, you'll have certain outcomes, right? So whenever these outcomes are well defined, you call those experiment to be a process to be experiment. Okay, random experiment, whenever you will not be able to predict the outcome. Okay, this performance of the experiment is unpredictable. For example, I can toss a coin, but can I know for sure that it'll be a head or it'll be a tail? No sir, we can't know for sure until it is a biased coin. Okay, so that's why there's a randomness in the experiment. Whenever you have that type of experiment is called as random experiment. It is an experiment in which all the outcomes of experiment are known. Correct now? If you toss a coin, we get head or tail. That's why they're saying all the outcomes of the experiment are known in advance, head or tail. Okay, and the exact outcome of any specific performance of the experiment is unpredictable. Means even though it is going to be head and tail, but can you tell exactly will this be head or tail? No, right? You can't say for sure that it's going to be head or tail for sure 100%. You can't say that, right? It will be half and half chance in one coin toss, and same way it goes on in more than one coin toss as well. Okay, now outcomes are already defined. An event is something that happens Sample space, set of all possible outcomes is called as sample space bacha. Set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called as sample space. It is generally denoted by the letter capital S. Okay, capital S. Few very simple definitions. They have not asked it yet, but if they are looking to, you should know it anyway. Simple definitions are there. So it will be given to you in the class PDF. Check the PDF from the WhatsApp channel. Once from you get enrolled in the WhatsApp channel, okay, try enrolling from the link given in the video. You'll get the session PDF. From there you can read and learn these definitions as well. Now moving on, some very important formulas that we have. One is probability of an event and the other is negation of an event. What is the meaning of the both? So probability means what are the chances of an event to occur, means what are the chances that when I toss a coin I'll get heads. So it's a half chance, right? That's what it is. So number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes. For example, so what are total outcomes if I toss one coin? So it'll be head and tail. Correct. Now if I toss one coin, head and tail, chances of getting head, so head is gonna come only one time, right? So 1 by 2. That's why I said half a chance for either getting head or tail. So same way, probability is defined as number of favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcomes. I know all of you know, but remember this basic formula. It's not even a formula, it is a definition of probability. What is probability? Chances of any event to occur. Okay, chaliye. Now negation of an event, basically if I'm saying, let's say if I'm giving you a chance that the chances of raining today is 40%. Chances of raining today is 40%. Then I can ask you, what are the chances of not raining today? Means there is no rain today. What are the chances of that? You'll say directly, 60%, sir. Correct. If I say today the chance of rain is 40%, what are the chances that there will be no rain today? 60%, sir. So negation is nothing but 1 minus the original probability. So that's why you see here there is word written here as favorable outcomes, and here you write unfavorable outcome. Number of favorable outcome in this case, whereas in the case of negation of an event, what do you write, bacha? Number of unfavorable outcome. And how you represent it? By a bar. By a bar. What it means? PA means chances of event A to occur. Chances of event A to occur. Okay, and what does this mean, bacha? Chances, just opposite. Chances of event A not to occur. Means what are the chances that there is going to be no rain today? Okay, there is going to be no rain today. So we have to write it like PA bar. Bar means negation. Okay, so that's what is written over here. So PA plus PA bar is always going to be 1, sir. Correct, right? 40% is what, bacha? 0.4. 60% is what, bacha? 0.6. Add them. 0.6 plus 0.4 is 1 always, sir. Okay, so that's why it's written here PA plus PA bar. So probability of A and probability of not occurring A is nothing but always 1. From here you can get it as negation of an event will be 1 minus probability of the event. I hope this is clear. Okay, chaliye. Now all of these definitions are covered. That's all is there, bacha. We're gonna move on to solve our problems. Okay, but before I move ahead for the problems, I have a important announcement to make for all of you. Okay, now that is regarding, you'll see now, next slide will be there, bacha. Before I go with that announcement, let me just introduce you to some of the notes that we have to remember in this. Probability of a sure event. Sure event means what? Universal truth you can take. Let's say a sunrise in the morning, okay, from the east direction. So all these events, our bacha, always 1. For a sure event, it'll always be 1, sir. It'll always be 1, sir. Okay. For example, if I take a bag which has only black balls, and the probability is us getting a black ball. What is it, sir? Or only black balls are there, right? So like that, the event is going to be sure. For that reason, what are you going to write the probability as? Always, of course, bacha, 1 only, right? Okay, there's 5 black balls. I'm getting 1 black ball. What is it? 5 by 5, no? So chances are 1 again. So probability of a sure event is 1. Next one is bacha, probability of an impossible event is 0. Let's say in the bag there are 5 black balls. I'm asking you chances of getting a white ball. So they are not white. There's no white balls in the bag. Correct, na? In a bag there are 5 black balls. I'm asking you to get a chances of getting a white ball from that bag. 0, sir. There are no white balls in that. So what is the probability of that? Always 0. So impossible event will have probability of 0, sir. Probability of an event cannot be negative. Can it be negative, sir? It can never be negative. Okay. Probability of an event cannot be greater than 1 as well. Okay. This is the maximum value, always less than or equal to 1 and never negative as well. Okay. You cannot have more than 100% chances, right? You cannot have more than 100% chances. Means if I have kept only 5 balls in the bag, can I get 6 out of that? No, unless you are a magician and you have kept other ball hidden in the bag. Okay. So if there are total 5 balls in the bag, you're going to get only 5 out of it. Right? Correct? So probability of an event cannot be greater than 1, cannot be negative. It can be 0 if it is impossible event, and it can be, for a sure event, it will be always 1, sir. Okay. Now the announcement, bacha. What is the announcement, sir? About the DSAT program, Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. We are organizing this every year, so we have organized this year as well. So what this program does know, it enables our student to make a decision, to help them make a decision for their career coming after 10th grade. Right now you might be scared. I know you have exams coming up. You're not having time to make all those things right now. Do one thing, just believe me, for 3 hours, spend that time with us at the offline campus of Diksha on Sunday. You can do that, right? Just 3 hours, bacha. Once you spend this 3 hours, you'll be very clear that what you should be doing after 10th grade. Okay. So what it does is, it helps you understand whether you should go with science, with maths, without maths, that's medicine, that's biology, or with commerce, with arts. Okay. Or if you're somebody who's sure with, let's say they want to do engineering or medical, bacha. Okay. Whatever is your decision, then this program will help you understand your competency level for JEE, for NEET, and for KSET. Means where you stand in the preparation, how can you get ahead in the competition. All of this will be answered after you take this program. Okay. How to take this program? So this web page link is given in the description of this video. Go ahead, check the link out, enroll yourself, and get in touch with our team to book a slot for 3 hours on Sunday at our offline campuses of Diksha. I hope this is clear. Now how it actually helps, what is the total idea about this program, I'll let you know at the end of the session. Right now let me get back to the solving questions for you. Once I explain you how it actually works, what is the structure of the program, then you'll be very clear that yes, it actually makes sense and I should take it, and I should certainly get this advantage, and be clear what I want to do and be sure what I want to do in my career. Okay, chaliye. So let's have a look, bacha. Question number 1. From the data 1, 4, 7, 9, 16, 21, 25, if all the even numbers are removed. Okay, sir. Even numbers are removed. Removed, sir. Any other even number are there? No, sir. Okay. Then what is the number of total number of events are having numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So probability of what they're asking, if all the even numbers are removed, the probability of getting a random prime number, right? Prime number. So check how many prime numbers are there. 1 is not, only 7 is, 9 is not, 21 is not, 25 is not. So 7 means only 1 out of what, bacha? Total number of, check this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. What is the answer? 1 by 5. Number of primes after you remove 4 and 16 is what, bacha? Is basically 1, right? 7. And total number of digits is how much, sir? Is going to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of event is 5. So 1 by 5 is my answer. Option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. So I move on to question number 2. Of course, sir. A girl calculates that the probability of her winning the first prize in the lottery is 0.08. Probability is given. If 6,000 tickets are sold, how many tickets has she bought? So whatever tickets she has bought, that's going to be what, bacha? That's going to be number of favorable outcome, na, sir? Number of favorable outcomes are nothing but number of tickets she bought, number of tickets she bought. Yes or no? If I call this to be X, sir, if I call this to be X, basically probability of her winning the first prize, probability of her winning the first prize will be nothing but whatever the number of tickets he bought. Let's say there are total of 2 tickets. Okay, and only one person can win the first prize. What is the chance, bacha? 1 by 2. Same way, she has bought what, bacha? She has bought, sir, X number of tickets. So X is over here. Divided by total number of tickets, which is 6,000. Given this value is 0.08. Multiplied by 6,000 equals to X. This 2 decimal will come here. Cancelling this 2, I'm getting x value as 480. Correct now, x is 48, there is 1 0. So option number C is suitable. C bought total of 480 tickets. I hope this is clear. Please have a look. 480 tickets, sir. Question number 2 is simple exemplar problem. Question number 3. If the probability of a player winning a game is 0.79, then the probability of his losing, of course, this is the negation of the event, right? Probability of winning is 0.79, है ना? Probability of losing is nothing but not winning. Not winning is losing, right? So will be given by 1 minus probability of winning, right? How much is that? 1 minus 0.79. How much is that? 0.21. What is this? Probability of not winning, nothing but probability of losing. So answer is 0.21. Will I take percent or value? No, sir. Will not take percent, sir. Of course. 21% is the chance, not 0.21%. Probability is a decimal value, bacha, or fractional value. Okay. Option number D is correct. Because what is this, sir? This means 79%. This means 21%. This is incorrect. 0.21%, don't take that answer. Okay. 0.21% is incorrect. Okay. Chaliye. Question number 4 now. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 cards. Okay. The event is that card is not an ace. Okay. So first of all, you should understand there are few face cards. Okay. What is that? Ace is there. Okay. So you'll have ace in all the 4 categories. Correct na? You have hearts, you have clubs, you have diamonds and spades. Okay. So all 4 categories you'll have one card of ace, 1 card of king, 1 card of queen, 1 card of jack. Right. So you'll have all of that. Okay. So they are saying that not an ace of hearts. How many ace of hearts will be there, bacha? In hearts category, you'll have only 1 ace, right? So if you remove that out, okay, not an ace of heart. So total remaining number is what, bacha? 51, right? Okay, 51, correct. Option number D. Total number of cards is 52. You're removing 1 card out of it. Which card, sir? Ace of hearts. So ace of heart you've taken out from the deck. It means not an ace of cards. So remaining card is what, bacha? 51 only, na? Okay, 51 is my remaining number of cards. Out of total 52 cards, ace of hearts is removed. Ace of heart is how many cards? Only 1 card, right? Because ace is A from the hearts category, so single card. You remove that. 52 minus 1 is 51. Please check this out. Question number 4 is done. Question number 5 now. The probability that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays. A very good question. It's asked in CBSE 2023 paper. Have a look. Leap year means what, bacha? So leap year means 366 days. Okay, we're looking for 53 Sundays. Okay, chaliye, we'll see. So if I take this, bacha, we know there are total of 52 weeks. I mean, sorry, weeks, right? I wrote weeks. Okay, weeks. Chali. So 52 weeks are there every year. That's how now 1 extra day we have and becomes leap year after every 4 years. So extra 1 day would become what? Extra 2 day in the case of leap years. So extra 2 days. So 52 weeks plus 2 days. 52 weeks means what, bacha? 52 weeks means 52 Sundays. है ना? 52 weeks means what? 52 Sunday. This is the guaranteed. This is guaranteed, right? 52 Sunday is guaranteed. What about the other 2 days? What about these 2 days, bacha? So now these 2 days can be any combination of days. Think about it. It can be Sunday, comma Monday. Correct na? First day is Sunday, second day is Monday. Okay, what about the other combination, bacha? Monday, Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday. It can be, sir, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, or Thursday or Friday. Okay, or Friday, Saturday, and the last one, Saturday and Sunday. So we are looking for what, bacha? We are looking for another Sunday. We are looking for total of 53 Sundays. We already have 52. Check this out. Where is the Sunday, sir? One is over here. One is over here. Correct na? 1 is over here, 1 is over here. It means only in these two cases we get to have a 53rd Sunday. Correct now? Only in these two cases we have 53rd Sunday. Okay, so have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 cases out of total 7 chances. 7 combinations are there: Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, like that till Saturday, Sunday, and in only 2 cases we have Sundays. Okay, it means 2 out of 7 chances are there for me to have plus 1 Sunday. Yes or no? This is guaranteed. Plus 1 Sunday I'll have only in these 2 cases. So 2 out of 7, option number B is correct. है ना? Clear, right? So what about this? That's there, bacha. We are looking for 53rd Sundays, na? We are not looking for 52. This is already there. What are the chances to get this Sunday? Are there chances to get this? Is there a chance for this? This is guaranteed, right? Not required. What about this? Chances to get 3rd Sunday, means 53rd Sunday, will be only 2 out of 7. 2 out of 7. Chaliye. So answer is 2 by 7. Please have a look. Question number 5 is done. Question number 6 is the assertion reason. When a dice is thrown once, the probability of getting a prime number is 2 by 3. Okay. Dice thrown once. Check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Prime numbers. Prime, prime, prime. So probability of getting a prime number is what, sir? Is going to be 3 by 6. Na? So 1 by 2. 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime. So 1 by 2, 2 by 3. Incorrect, sir. Okay. So assertion is wrong so far. Let's look at the reason. Probability of a sure event is 1. Correct, sir. We learnt in the note also. So assertion is wrong. Reason is true. Option D is correct. Yes or no? Option D is correct. Moving on to 7th problem. Assertion is when 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, then probability of getting at least one head. 2 coin toss. Chances are, sir, both heads. First one. Next one, bacha, heads and tails. Next one, bacha, tails and heads. The last one, tails and tails. Those are chances, right? First coin can give me head, okay, head and tails, other one is head tails and head tails. Okay, chaliye. So then the probability of getting at least one head, at least, very important, at least one head. What it means? At least one means what? One head and 2 head. Can I get 3 heads also? Of course not, sir. 1 head I can get, at least means minimum of 1. Maximum there is no limit. But we can't have more than 2, no, because we have only 2 coin toss. So either 1 head or 2 head. Take the favorable outcome, bacha. 1 head, how many we have? Over here, over here. Okay. 2 head, how much we have? Over here. It means total is what, bacha? Total is what, sir? 1 head is, what is this, sir? This is favorable outcome. This is, sir, favorable outcome. Okay. Favorable outcome. Please check here. 1 head I can get 2 times. Over here, over here. 2 head I get 1 time. So what is the probability, sir? Probability of at least 1 head is given by total what, bacha? 2 plus 1. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So correct. Correct, na? Makes sense, right? At least 1 means either 1 or more than 1. More than 1 can be only 2. We can't have 3, 4 like that. So we are getting 2 heads 1 time and 1 head 2 times. That's why 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 4 is my probability. Okay. Reason: probability of an event may be being negative are not possible, huh, sir? Probability of event may be negative. Not possible, sir. It means option number C. Assertion is true, reason is false. Option number C. Simple question. Okay, but you have to use your brain, of course. Okay, chaliye. At most means what? Maximum of 1 or maximum of 2. Okay, so we have a definition like that. You have to get to solve more questions. You have to solve more questions to practice and get understanding of those things. At most head means what? At most 1 head means what? Either 1 or 0. Either 1 or 0. What's the answer, bacha? Again 3 by 4 only. Have a look. At most 1 head. At most 1 means 1 or 0. 1 head is over here. It means 2 chances are there, and Zero head means both tails. Zero head means both tails. Again, what are the chances? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4. At most one head also 3 by 4. Don't worry, you can solve more questions like that. Okay, questions, refer any reference books and solve some questions if you are not sure about it. But I think this will be more than enough. Okay, so the probability of selecting a rotten apple randomly from a heap of 900 apples is 0.18. What's the number of rotten apples in the heap? Okay, so this is very simple, right? Probability of selecting a rotten apple is given by, what's the number of rotten apple, right? Let's call it to be x, divided by total number of apples in that heap. They've given this value. Check this out. Decimal goes here, 2 zeros cancels. I have x equals to 18 times 9. I get 9. So 2 have 7, 9 ones of 1 plus 7 is 162. What is this, sir? Number of rotten apples. Number of rotten apples in the heap. 1 second. Number of rotten apples in that particular heap is 162. I hope this is clear. Simple question. Question number 8 is done. Let's move on. No doubt, right? Selecting a rotten apple. Okay. 1 second. Selecting a rotten apple from that particular heap is x. No, we don't know the number of rotten apples. So x by 900. It becomes like this. Cross multiply. Get the answer as 162. Okay. Question number 9 now. A box consisting of 100 shirts, of which 88 are good. Okay, 100 shirts we have. Out of this category, number 1 is, let's say, good shirts. Okay, how much is this? 88. Next category is have minor defects. Okay, minor defects. How much is that? 8 have minor defects, so right here 8. The last one is major defects. Okay, last one is major defects. How much is that? 4. Okay, what are they asking? Ramesh, a shopkeeper, will buy only those shirts which are good, but Keval is another guy, another shopkeeper, will not buy shirts with major defects. Okay, means they have their priorities. Means Ramesh is looking to buy only good shirts, and Keval is okay, but he will not go for the very bad or very defective shirts. Okay, chaliye. So a shirt is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that Ramesh will buy the selected shirt? Okay, so first case, Ramesh will buy the shirt only when the shirt is good. Ramesh will buy only when it is good. Okay, it means it has to be out of this category. Let's say there's a heap, shirts kept like this, 100 shirts, and I've chosen one shirt. Ramesh will buy this selected shirt only when it is a good shirt. Chances of getting a good shirt out of the whole is 88 by 100. Probability of getting a good shirt will be 88 by 100. Cancel by 4 bacha, so 22 by 25 na. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, and 4 25s are 100. Okay, so first part is done. For Ramesh, we will only select if it is good shirt. Okay, what about this? Keval will select only if it is okay, not very bad shirts. Means let's say it's going to be these two category combined, means either good and minor defects. So basically, if I'm choosing a shirt from this pile of shirts of 100 shirts, and if that shirt is either good shirt or a minor defect shirt, then only we'll choose. It means 88 plus 8 will be there, bacha, the favorable outcome. The favorable outcome will be 88 plus 8 by total, which is how much, sir? 100. How much is this? 96 by 100. How much is this? 24 by 25. 24 by 25, please have a look. Okay, So Ramesh will choose only if it is very good, that's why 88 by 100, and Keval can choose if it is either minor defect or good shirts. Okay, so 88 plus 8 we have to do these two sum. Okay, we have to add these two, so that makes 96 by 100, making it divided by 4. So 24 times 4 is 96 and 25 times 4 is 100. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Question number 9 is clear, bacha, asked in CBSE Delhi paper 2016. Okay, moving on to question number 10. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? Okay, so first part answer, a defective bulb, right? Probability that it is a defective bulb. Total number of defective bulbs, sir? Defective bulb is 4, sir. Total number of defective bulb is 4. So 4 by total lot size. What's the lot size, sir? 20. So 1 by 5, na? 1 by 5 is the answer. 4 times 5 is 20. So 1 by 5 is the answer. Have a look. Now we get, bacha, to question number 2. Okay. Suppose the bulb drawn in case 1 is not defective. Means if it was not defective. So let's have a look over here. In case 1, number of non-defective bulbs is what's the 16, no? Right now 16 non-defective and 4 defective bulbs, right? So number of non-defective bulbs is what, bacha? 16. Okay, they're saying that they have taken 1 out. Okay, so the bulb drawn was non-defective, okay, and is not replaced. Means what, bacha? So after removal, okay, after removal of 1 non-defective bulb, think about it. After you remove 1 non-defective bulb, what is the number of non-defective bulbs, sir? It will be 15, no? Total was 16 in the beginning and they have removed 1 non-defective. It means their number is now 15. And total number of bulbs is, sir? Total number of bulb is 19. How come, sir? Not replaced, means we are not putting it back. It means 19. Okay, so what are they asking now? Now 1 bulb is drawn at random. After this condition, they are drawing another bulb at random from the rest. What is the probability that the bulb is not defective? Bulb is not defective. So I'll write it over here. Probability that bulb is not defective, sir. Not defective, sir. Okay, 15 out of 19, na? Favorable outcome. Favorable outcome is non-defective bulb, so 15. Total number of outcome is 19. What is the answer? 15 out by 19. So first part answer is 1 by 5 over here, and second part answer is 15 by 19 over here. Have a look. Please have a look. Probability of the bulb which is not defective. Okay, choosing a bulb which is not defective is clearly 15 by 19. How come, sir? Because you have removed 1 non-defective bulb in case 1 and not replaced it. So the number is reduced to 15. From 16 it has become to 15, and the total number of bulb also reduced to 19 because it was not replaced. Okay, so have a look. Okay, so bacha, with this our chapter revision is complete for the probability. Okay, yeah. Now, as I said, I have this announcement for you. Now, I've already told you about this announcement, but how actually this thing works to help you score, or to help you choose the right thing for your career. Okay, so and score good marks in whatever you choose, because if you like something, you obviously score good marks in that. But right now, how to choose that right thing? So what it does now, in 3-hour session at the offline campus of Diksha on Sunday, that you schedule by going and visiting this link and enrolling yourself, 3 hours once you go there. So first hour will be, bacha, a lecture, means we will teach you some concept. Okay, and after this concept is taught, you can ask your doubts as well. So first hour is over. Second hour will be an aptitude test. Okay, you have to write an aptitude test based upon what you've learned. Okay, so application of that you have to apply yourself and write a test. Third hour will be evaluation round, means we'll evaluate your paper. You can sit with yourself, with your parents, with our team of counselors and faculties. They'll let you know what was your approach to the problem solving, what could have been done better, and what exactly went wrong. All of this will be explained to you very in detail. You get to know what exactly went wrong. Okay, otherwise if you're doing very good job, we'll let you know that as well, that you are doing a very good job, approaching the paper, you're going on a right track. How can you still maintain it and get that result that you're looking for? Okay, and if you are having, let's say, other doubts as well in your mind about the subjects, about your career position, about anything that you are looking for, okay, so write all those questions, all those doubts that you have in your mind in a piece of paper. Bring that paper to our campus when you visit, okay, for the program, and ask all these questions with our faculties, with our counseling team. They'll help you out, bacha, to understand the solutions for all the doubts that you are having. Okay, I'm very sure when you're leaving the campus, you'll be very satisfied with the program. Okay, one more thing, if you wish to join us for your preparation after making the decision, if you wish to join us for 11th and 12th, okay, then you get a very good scholarship based upon the test score that you wrote in the second hour. Based upon the test score, you're going to get a very good scholarship in the admissions. So please make this decision, get the advantage of this program available to you, Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. Enroll and visit the campus on Sunday, the coming Sunday, for 3 hours. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now with this, bacha, I am concluding the session today. So probability is over now. I will have one more session in this chapter on the PYQs. This also was mostly PYQ questions only, but I'll take most recent PYQs and solve all of it for all of you. Okay, so that you are having no problems at all, and then we'll move on to mocks and revision. I hope this is clear. So I'll see you in the next session. Till then, you have to keep working hard, keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.